Burgenland, situated in the eastern part of Austria, offers a diverse range of attractions and experiences that make it a captivating destination for travelers. Known for its unique blend of nature, culture, and history, Burgenland boasts a plethora of activities to engage visitors. Nature enthusiasts will be enthralled by the Nestled Seewinkel National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a haven for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts. The vast Nestled Lake, with its reed beds and marshes, supports an array of bird species and provides a serene backdrop for cycling, hiking, and boating. The region's wine culture is another highlight. Burgenland is one of Austria's premier wine-producing areas, with rolling vineyards and charming wine cellars. The town of Rust is famous for its excellent Ruster Ausbruch dessert wines, while traditional Heurigen wine taverns invite visitors to savor local vintages alongside regional delicacies. Culture buffs will find a wealth of historical and architectural wonders. Eisenstadt, the capital of Burgenland, boasts Esterhazy Palace, a Baroque gem where composer Joseph Haydn lived and worked. The palace's Haydn Hall hosts classical music concerts, adding a touch of cultural grandeur to any visit. For a step back in time, the village of Sopronkohida showcases the ethnographic heritage of the region, with preserved farmhouses, workshops, and traditional crafts. The medieval town of Gussing boasts a castle that has been transformed into a fascinating museum, tracing the history of the region. Adventurous souls can explore the Kirschblütensteg, Cherry Blossom Trail, a picturesque hiking route that winds through cherry orchards, especially enchanting during the spring bloom. Mountain biking trails, horseback riding, and even hot air ballooning offer outdoor enthusiasts a wide array of active pursuits. In terms of relaxation, the St. Martin's Therme and Lodge offers a unique spa experience, combining thermal waters with indulgent treatments. The region's numerous spas and wellness centers provide ample opportunities to rejuvenate and unwind. Burgenland's local festivals and events, such as the Haydn Festival in Eisenstadt and the spectacular wine parade in Rust, add vibrant energy to the area. From traditional customs to contemporary art exhibitions, the cultural calendar is rich and varied. In essence, Burgenland provides an enriching blend of natural beauty, historical significance, culinary delights, and cultural richness. Whether you're seeking an active outdoor adventure, a cultural immersion, or a tranquil retreat, this region offers a tapestry of experiences that cater to every traveler's interests.